Hey guys, how's it going? Happy New Year. I am a month late, but better late than never. I hope that everyone had a really awesome holiday season. I hope that everyone is having a great 2022 so far. I know that sometimes New Year's are really exciting, sometimes they're a little bit, anxiety ridden, but I hope that everyone is making the best of it so far. Like I said, we were about a month in. It is now February. I can't even believe that we are already a month in. But as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm here today to talk to you about quitting my job. So, yeah, I quit my job over the Christmas break and I started a new job in January. And I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about it today. So, I left my teaching position. I am no longer in teaching, I am no longer in education. And I just want to point out that, changes happen in life and sometimes people need to leave their jobs. Sometimes people leave jobs because of personal reasons or financial reasons. Maybe they need to make more money. Maybe they, are spending too much money on gas. So they're going to have to relocate in order to make it feasible to keep those jobs. So sometimes it's better to get a different job. Geographic locations, sometimes you need to relocate for geography purposes. Maybe you are very far away from where you're working. Maybe you are living in an area that has, a lot of flooding or has a lot of hills and freezes a whole lot. There are a lot of reasons that people leave their jobs, right? Cultural reasons, whether it is their own personal culture or maybe it is the culture of the workplace that they are currently in. And of course, mental health, right? That is a huge thing. That is a huge trend that we've been seeing through the panini that we are still in, right? So there's a lot of reasons that people leave jobs, and I am not making a video to crap on education, right? I have a lot of things that have occurred in my life over the last year that have led me to the decision to leave my teaching position. And maybe someday I'll make a more detailed video about that, especially for other teachers that are looking to exit the profession as a whole, understandably. Those of you that absolutely love it, again, very understandably as well. There's just a lot of reasons and a lot of circumstances that people would choose to leave a job or choose to leave a career, right? So I'm not going to be here to complain about education. There were just a lot of things in my life that were gearing me towards a different direction. And I have taken that direction and I'm very happy with that direction. So what am I doing, right? I'm a content writer right now, not like YouTube full time. That would be pretty cool though. So maybe someday. But I am a content writer right now. So I still write science content. Um, I get to impact students every day. I still get to do science every single day. The work that I do and the content that I write reaches over 9 million students. So, over 9 million students are exposed to my work and get to develop a love of science through the work that I have written. And then, of course, I still get to make YouTube content. I'm still going to be creating YouTube videos. Things, of course, are going to look a little bit different, right? But I'm still going to be a creator here on YouTube for you guys. And I'll just be creating content in my work life as written content, writing science content. And then at home, I'm still going to be making some helpful YouTube videos. So I write things called investigations. I don't want to talk too much about the company. It's a smaller company, and basically it is an educational resource company. So they provide resources to help make science and all of the STEM subjects, really. So science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And eventually, ELA, like English language arts, and social studies will be added as well. But basically, I'm writing these little nuggets of educational resources that help teachers do their jobs. I don't want to say better because there are a lot of really amazing, wonderful teachers in the world. Just maybe a little bit more 2022, a little bit more 21st century learner driven. So, not help them do their jobs better, but maybe just a little bit more modern way for some people. And also, it's just kind of a different way to get kids excited about science, right? So, it's pretty cool what I'm getting to do. I'm very fortunate for this opportunity, and I really like it so far. So, what does that mean for us, our little YouTube family? Like, some of you guys have been here since day one, and I am so thankful for you guys. What does that mean for us? I'm not going away. I'm not going to be creating super, super long lectures anymore. That's not going to be something that I have time to do with my new schedule, but I will be creating content for you guys. I still want to be about science. I still want to be about educating people. I think that those are two of my big passions in life that I'm never really going to be able to let go of. It's still applicable in my current career. I'm still writing science content every day, and I am impacting students' lives every day. So for us, I am still going to be creating content that is science focused for you guys. It might look a little bit different because it won't be lectures, but all of my lectures will still live here on the internet. Right? So I am still here to help. I have a series that I would like to start doing. Like, I know that it's February and we have like March, April, May. April and May is usually like most of the times kids start having some finals and some exams and things like that. So I'm going to start doing a review series. So you can see on the screen here, I have like an example of a review sheet that I have made. So I have a couple different ones. I call these cheat sheets or like one-page wonders, where like I try to fit everything about a content area on one sheet of paper. Obviously, it's a super, super condensed version, but that is a series that I'm going to start recording pretty soon. So that's just an example of one of the things I want to do. And then since I'm writing science content every day, I'm learning a bunch of new things that are not only biology driven, but just like engineering and science in general. I'm not really familiar with physics, but I'm learning a lot of physics right now. So when I find something that's cool that I get to write about for work, like I'm also going to talk about it on my channel. Like I am currently editing a video of walruses because I had to learn about walruses and I think that they are pretty cool. So it's just one example of some of the things that is coming. So obviously the content is a little bit different, but a lot of you are here to help get you through a class. And so all of those lectures and everything will still exist. My review series will exist. And, we're just kind of growing together. And that's kind of a beautiful thing. So I'm going to say it. I don't want to be one of these people. Smash that like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. I don't want to be that person, but in this transition, things are, a little different for me. I just want to say thank you for your support. And if you can offer any support, if you find any of my content, there's a lot of it. If you find any of it useful, liking those videos, telling your friends about those videos, sharing my channel with your friends who are in similar classes or about to be in similar classes. Like all of that stuff really does help out. I don't want to be annoying about it, but I really, really love science. I love biology, especially. That will always have a special place in my heart. And I really love this platform of YouTube being able to reach so many kids and help them, right? So many of you. I'm very thankful and very lucky that I get to reach more students doing the job I'm doing now. Like I said, over 9 million kids are going to benefit from the work that I am doing. So I'm very fortunate for that. And I'm very fortunate for this platform to kind of get to share my passion with you guys. So anything that you like, literally with the thumbs up, but also just like that you find enjoyable, that's really awesome. And that is huge support for me and my new life that I have started in 2022. So like I said, I hope that you guys are having a wonderful year. I hope it's starting off strong. If it's not, every day is a new opportunity to turn that around. And I hope that, if you were experiencing any hardships, that it is going to get better in the near future for you. If you are starting a new semester at school, good luck. And look out for my review series that I'm going to be putting up pretty soon. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. And thanks for staying with me, y'all. This is going to be a great year and a new journey. I'm really excited for it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.